down there.
And you have a special guest.
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
How are you? Roy. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Take it right there. How you doing, Dave? How are you? Hello, Russ. How are you?
Nice to see you.
Okay, about that. That's what I'm talking about.
Some cooking, chef? What are you making?
This picture real quick.
Yeah. What are you making?
We're doing a little shrimp and grits right now.
So who's in charge?
You.
We
are owners.
Do you want to run these before? Now, the kitchen, the guy that's in charge of the kitchen right now is this gentleman right over here. Paul, don't know exactly.
So have you done reviews before? This is one of the things that nobody knows. They probably do around here, but reviews are amazing. I was telling about somebody on TV yesterday. I'm like, no, you got to go do a review. You're going to do a review. They're going to help you. So they're like, you can't help me. I'm like, right. You will help me.
Yeah, this is a great spot. Especially if you're if you have a concept, you're just doing something with the concept. You're just repeating it. But if you're trying to really
Chris, you get a picture.
yeah.
Come on, talk, Chef-O.
Shrimp and grits. So these are this is a local grits. It's called roller mill grits. They're made up in Ashland. It's a nice thick plump grit. It's not your
I use that in my restaurant.
It's great, isn't it? It's a nice plump thick grit. You cook it with a little chicken stock and heavy cream, so you got a nice consistency to it. Then we're just going to saute some shrimp. I like a little ham bacon down in this part of the world. A little bit of white wine. Just a little shrimp on top of the grits. We got this for brunch.
One more thing.
Very simple.
The cool thing about this is you can change up any way you wish. You know, you can do this 17 different ways using tomatoes. You almost take an Italian twist on it. You know when you go with arrabbiata and sauces, different sauces. You can do the same with this and the grits.
There's a little cheddar cheese in there too. I forgot to say that. So it gives you a nice rich flavor. Makes those grits. You just keep them moist with a little heavy cream.
Sure.
Thank you. You got a good brunch item that'll go right along with those oysters. Brunch is more than eggs.
Right.
People are looking for new, exciting, a little bit different items. It's going to give you that.